Marhaba Jana. Where are you going? Preschool. What colors do we have? Can you guys name some of the colors? Where's akhdar? Show me akhdar. Nice. Who wants to show me ahmar? Who wants to show me ahmar? What is that? Ahmar, what's it called in English? Red? Red ahmar. Show me the brown, please. Where's the brown? A brown is what in Arabic? Bunny. Yay. Okay. Who wants to show me the blue? Somebody else, show me the blue. What's blue in Arabic? Azraq. Azraq. Good job. Blue is azraq. Who's gonna show me burtuqali, orange? Where's orange? No, orange. Show me. Orange is what in Arabic? Burtuqali. Burtuqali. Nice. Who wants to show me asfar? Asfar. Asfar, yellow. Can somebody show me yellow? Yellow is what? Yellow is asfar. Shatreen, good job, Shatreen. Do you learn numbers?
Yes. I'm gonna learn numbers.
Can you count to 10 in Arabic for me?
1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10
Hey, what's your name? Nia? What are you doing? What's that? What are those? Those are colors. Alwan. Colors. What's that one? That's a whale. Hoot. Hoot. Whale. Rhinoceros. Wahid al-Qaran they call him. What do you have? That's a frog. What do you call a frog in Arabic? Difda. Frog. Difda. What do we have here? Dinosaurs. How do dinosaurs go? What is this one, Jana? Tiger is Nemr. Nemr. What do you have? That's a lobster. Lobster is Sultan al-Bahr. Oh, this one? What is this one? That's an elephant. Feel. That's a cow?
Yeah.
How does a cow go? What do you call it in Arabic? What do you call a cow in Arabic? Baqara.
Yeah.
Baqara. Cow. Jenna, what does she have for you? Go see. What is that? It's a doll. Nice. And that's a doll house? Where's the doll now? Show me. Is that a bedroom? غرفة نوم. That's a bedroom. Carpet. سجادة. Kitchen. مطبخ.
I'm gonna go out. Where's the cheese?
That's a toilet and the washroom. Hammam. Washroom. A fun toy. It's a doll house. House is منزل. منزل. Some people say بيت or home. منزل. بيت. Very nice. Those are animals. حيوانات. That's a spider. Can you say ankabut? Ankabut. That's a crocodile.
Yeah, where's he going?
Timsah.
Where's he going?
Crocodile.
Look at
No, what is this one? What is it?
It's a fly.
It's a fly. What do you call a fly in Arabic? Who knows? It's okay if you don't know. They call it dhubaba. Can you say dhubaba?
It's a
Oh no, the fly fell. It flew. The fly flew. Lion. Asad. What is this one, Jana? Dolphin is dolphin. Dolphin. What's that? Is that a train? Train? Can you say qitar? Qitar. Train. Very nice. What else? Ice cream is buza. Ice cream.
Chicken.
Chicken? Let me see the chicken. Dajaj. Chicken.
Hi.
Who's calling?
It's Baba. Hi, do you want some food?
Is that a phone? Hatif.
Do you want
Phone.
do you-
What are you making?
Those are Legos.
Is that a building?
Those are not buildings. Those are Legos.
Yeah, Legos, but it looks like a building, right? And that's one. One.
Two of them.
Oh, those are two workers.
1, 2, 3.
Now you have 3 toys. Nice. Now you have 4. Can you count them?
1, 2,
3, 4. 4 toys. Very nice. What are you drawing? What is it? Your mama? Nice. We should all love our mamas, right? You're drawing bat? Very nice. Bat. Bat is a letter in the Arabic alphabet. What are those called? Books. Kutub. One book is called Kitab. Book.
Can you go clean up there with me?
Everybody's cleaning up. Nice. Good job to all of you.
Hello, how are you? How are you today? It's nice to see Leanna's here. It's nice to see Alina's here. It's nice to see Ahmad is here. How are you today? It's nice to see Hadi is here. It's nice to see Jana is here. It's nice to see Ahmed is here. How are you today? It's nice to see Khalid is here. It's nice to see Huzaifa's here. It's nice to see Makkah is here. How are you today? It's nice to see Adam D is here. It's nice to see Rose is here. It's nice to see Jude is here. How are you today? It's nice to see Kamal is here. It's nice to see Naya is here. It's nice to see Layal is here. How are you today? And it's nice to see Ahmed is here. It's nice to see Malak is here. How are you today? Who knows how many days there is in a week? 7. There are 7 days in a week. There are 7 days in a week. Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. Good job. Okay. Who knows how many months there is in a year? 12. There are 12 months in a year. You guys ready to sing the song? Okay. January, February, March, and April, May, June, July, and August, September, October, November, December. Again. January, February, March, and April, May, June, July, and August, September, October, November, December. Good job.
Say مع السلامة.
مع السلامة.
Goodbye.
Bye.